Hi, welcome back to Himas Yoga. I hope you liked the last video, effective ways of steam inhalation. If you haven't checked the video, link in the description box so you can check. And this video is all about pranayama, different techniques of pranayama. Have you ever wondered why we have two nostrils instead of one? According to the ancient science Kundalini Yoga, we have two energies, that is Ida and Pingala. Ida, the left nostril, Pingala, the right nostril. So left nostril is moon energy, right nostril, the sun energy. So exactly how our nostrils functions, let's see now. So with the right thumb, block the right nostril, left, check the breathing, breathe in slowly. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now, with the left thumb, block the left nostril. Breathe in from the right, breathe out, breathe in from the right, breathe out. Now you can see the difference, yes? Right nostril is, the breathing is comparatively little warm than the left nostril. So this is, left nostril is moon energy, right nostril is sun energy. And this is how let's start the pranayama. Before we start, as I said in the effective ways of steaming also, no chest breathing, only your tummy breathing. Have you ever observed a baby sleeping? You have witnessed that the tummy, whenever the baby breathe in, the tummy raises up, and the baby breathe out, the tummy goes inside. So this is the same concept we are going to use. So when we are breathing in, take a little time to breathe in. Yes, the tummy is going out, raises out. Now breathe out, tummy is going in. So you need to be consciously observing this because most of them are doing chest breathing, which is not correct. So the lungs are reportedly the main battlefield for COVID. So let's increase the lung capacity with this pranayama. The first one is Chandra Bedi, the second one is Surya Bedi. So as I said, the left nostril is moon energy, right nostril is sun energy. Let's start with the Chandra Bedi. So Nasika Mudra, hold the index and the middle finger. This is called as Nasika Mudra. The other hand is Chin Mudra, keep it on your thigh. Chin Mudra or Jnana Mudra, tip of the thumb finger should be touching the tip of the index finger. So let's start with the pranayama. Now with the right thumb on the right nostril, left nostril, slowly breathe out. Now slowly breathe in. Hold, breathe out from the right nostril, repeat the same, breathe in from the left nostril, hold, breathe out from the right. This is the way we do Chandra Bedi pranayama. So how long we are going to hold? So here is a simple tip. You need to count. Yes, counting will help you to do this pranayama. So breathe in 4 counts. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Again 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now breathe out 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the simplest way, and you need to remember that the breathe in and breathe out should be 1:2 ratio. Breathe in double the time, breathe out. So we need to remove all the toxins from the lungs. It does take a little time. I told you in the steaming episode also, breathing should be done very slowly. You are not in a hurry to do the breathing exercises. And before you start pranayama, sit in a comfortable posture and Your spine should be absolutely straight and your breathing should be. Now we are going to do Surya Bedi Pranayama. So for that, the same Nasika Mudra. Now we are going to do it from the right nostril. First breathe out. Now slowly breathe in from the right nostril. Hold. Breathe out from the left. Close. Now breathe in from the right nostril again. Hold. Breathe out from the left. The same counting applies. Breathe in 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. So this is the way you are supposed to do, and this is Chandra Bedi and Surya Bedi for you. 5 times initially, and then you can increase. But Surya Bedi is not recommended in summer, so you can avoid Surya Bedi. We are going to start with Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. This is alternative nostril breathing. The same Nasika Mudra, index and the middle finger close. Or you can place these 2 fingers on the forehead. Now breathe out first. Now breathe in. I'm closing my fingers so that it's visible for you. Breathe in from the left nostril. Hold. Breathe out from the right. Now breathe in from the right nostril again. Hold. Breathe out from the left. Relax. So this is alternative nostril breathing. So the same counting applies here. Breathe in 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now breathe in from the right nostril again. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Rub your palms on your eyes. Relax. So this is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama for you. These are during this pranayama, if you have spondylitis problem or stiff neck, you can't hold your hand for a long time, then the simple tip is place your palm under your right elbow, left palm on your right elbow, and you can continue with the breathing exercises so that it doesn't hurt your shoulder. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe our video and share with your friends. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Signing off, Hima.